Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'll be sharing with you my pre-sale order from Every Minute a Story that I placed earlier this year. Thank you so much for watching this stationery unboxing. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you want to see more videos like this one. If you want to keep seeing my videos, be sure to also subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Until next time, goodbye.